Hello, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing video of my Credor. It's not a true unboxing because I already took the watch out and used it for a few weeks. But this is what it would look like if you ordered one. Credor, you have to order through the internet or be in Japan, because if you go to the Grand Seiko boutique, at least here in Canada, you can't get them. Maybe the ultra high-end ones, you may be able to do a special order. But yeah, the regular ones, you'll have to go through like an online retailer. So I got this through Chrono24. And it was during the time when Grand Seiko's price were a little bit going higher than the MSRP, but the Credor was not, and I was actually able to get a small discount on it. But yeah, so this is the packaging. I'll have to say it's probably not as nice as what a Grand Seiko packaging would be, but it's what you get. It's just a little sleeve thing, and this is the box. So I guess this is the color of the brand. It's not the navy blue like Grand Seiko. Some cloth. And then this, I'm not sure if it's the same type of rice paper that Grand Seiko used, but I don't think so. Anyways, it's just to lift this box out. So underneath the box, there is a little booklet. Another booklet. This thing, I have no idea what this is. I don't read Japanese. This looks like some kind of guide in how to keep your watch clean. Yeah, if anyone knows, you can leave that in the comment. I think that's it. This thing is some kind of service center information in China, I think. Maybe this is like a newly opened one, so it's not printed in the book. Just put a little piece of paper in it. So English is, oh yeah, so when you buy Credor, if you're wondering, the warranty comes with the international warranty, but I believe it is only 1 year. I guess these are all the service centers across the world. So one thing I did learn, that if you do need to service the spring drive, you should send it back to Japan to do it. I don't know if any watchmaker would be willing to service a spring drive. So to do that, you can just go to any Grand Seiko boutique and they will be able to do it for you. This is just a sticker on the back of the case. I just stuck it in here to keep it. I guess this is your warranty paper. I guess that's for the ink to pass on to the other side. So that's that. And this is the manual. Yeah, I think the Grand Seiko stuff It's actually this kind of rice paper. Anyways, this is the manual. I think they put a whole bunch of different spring drive models in here. So it's thick, but whatever is your model, it's probably not that much reading. Yeah, there's like a moon phase model. Yeah, anyways, that's just that book. Let's get to the watch. Here's the watch. Let's see, I think it's this way. It's just like a soft leather, ivory color leather box. And here you got your watch. That's your watch. It came with the tag. So this is a model 880,000 yen. I believe I paid about 720,000 yen. If you go on Chrono24, I think it's actually even a little cheaper now. You might be able to get it for like 700,000, maybe even 69, 68. Yep, it just comes on this little pillow box. And yeah, this is the Credor GCLH979 manual spring drive. Yep. So as you wind, that's the power reserve. Yeah, and then you see that bar going up. It has a quick set, I believe. Okay. The hands are heat blued. And you got this beautiful movement. If you can tell, yeah, that's a glide wheel. Movement 7R88. I don't know what that little A2 behind it really means. I've seen it A1 as well. It might be indicating where the date window is. I think there are some models where the date window is at the 3 o'clock, and that one might be the A1. Yeah, water resistant, but not really. Probably just like 30 meters. Bracelet. Yeah, I think this is a 20 millimeter lug width. Has this octagonal shape. I'll make another video with a full review going back, talking about why I chose this model, history of Credor a little bit. Yeah, this is kind of the unboxing. My wrist is 7.5 inch, and it fits well. And I believe there was 2 more links that I took out. So if you have 8-inch wrist, it will still fit, no problem. Yeah, it's kind of like a glorified cocktail time dial, kind of. I think there is a Grand Seiko that's a similar dial, which Initially I really wanted, but you know, it was a circular watch and it didn't have a date. So yeah, I'm going to end this video now, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks.